Resting your body and mind are essential for recovery and key to a positive headspace. I want to acknowledge that because of injury and illness or the stresses that are occurring in your life at this time, quality rest might be really challenging to achieve. Plus, there are numerous ways rest can be disturbed or interrupted by factors like excess light or heat, the impact of technology use, food and drink, or the more tricky to address challenges with other living beings around you, from kids or partners to pets, housemates or neighbours. So our condition can impact our rest, but so too can our circumstances. So focus on what you can control at this time. Here are some aims we should be working towards. Where possible, aim to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Sleeping at regular times will also help promote a healthy sleep-wake rhythm that will support your recovery. In addition to sleep quality and duration, it's really beneficial to regularly give your mind and body some time to rest, relax, and recharge. But you don't have to stop everything in order to rest. Identify activities you find relaxing, restorative, fulfilling, or even energizing, and make sure you allocate some time for these things as part of your well-being and recovery routine. Even the simplicity of getting outside into the natural environment is a powerful way to rest and promote recovery. As well as finding those relaxing activities that help you rest and recharge, here are a few more quick-fire tips for promoting restful sleep, and we hope some of these feel practical for you to implement. Make sure you get plenty of natural light when you wake up in the morning, outdoors if you can. Not only will this help you wake up, it'll keep your body clock on a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Stick to a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and getting up at the same time. Do your best to limit the difference in your sleep schedule on weeknights and weekends to no more than 1 hour, because your consistency here will strengthen the recovery you can achieve through your sleep-wake cycle. Don't charge your phone next to your bed, and if you can, remove devices from your room completely. Stay off devices including TV for at least 30 minutes before bed. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Minimize drinking 1 to 2 hours before bed to reduce those late night bathroom interruptions. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m, not only from coffee and tea, but from other sneaky treats too. And beyond caffeine, nicotine and alcohol deserve caution. The stimulating effects can take hours to wear off and can heavily impact sleep quality. Even though alcohol might lead you to feel sleepy, its effects disrupt sleep later in the night. Exercise regularly, but not too close to bedtime. Read in bed, but make sure it's a real book or an e-reader, not some screen that emits blue light. Read something that won't overstimulate your mind too, if that's something that keeps you awake. Relax and clear your mind before bed. Have a bath or shower, do some light stretching, deep breathing or meditation, or play some relaxing music to help your body and mind transition to sleep. Even just 1 or 2 of these suggested tips can make a big difference. Identify what feels right for you and start small at first. We can always add to your rest routine over time as your well-being and recovery needs evolve.